good evening. We're on to day 4. I've been on it all day. I'm absolutely knackered. I've fitted the front skylight. I've resealed all the roof, all the sides. I've been on it all day. Absolutely worn out. Resealed the whole van, top to bottom. I've just got the front cab to do, but that doesn't really need resealing at the minute. It's just old sealant, so I'm gonna do it, but it's not paramount that it needs to be done at the minute. Started sanding inside and rebuilding the back seats and the bed because they're, well, more or less collapsed and knackered. So tomorrow, that's what I'll be doing. Rebuilding the seats and the beds. I've got a load of materials in the back there. Got some bed slats that I'm going to use for the seats as well because they're nice and light and they give you a nice cushioning effect when you sit on them. So, just a little short update video. We went out for dinner afterwards to the other fisherman. We had kebabs for tea and, as you can see, working man's hands. Look at the state of them. Mastic and splinters and tried everything to get it off. Thinners, terps, won't come off. So I'm going to do an old trick that I used to do. When I get in, I'm going to put some rubber gloves on and let your hands sweat, and it gets it all out the pores of your skin. Little tip there. But yeah, anyway, onwards and upwards tomorrow, day 5. It's coming on well, as you've all seen so far. But at least we're watertight now. That's the main thing. We're watertight, so if it rains, nothing else is going to get ruined inside. So yeah, I've got to buy an extension kit though for the front skylight because the distance between the bit that you twiddle and the bit at the top, there's a gap about that big. So because it's obviously thicker because of the overhead cab. So I've got to buy one of them, which I'm going to look for next. And I will catch you all in the next video. So please like, subscribe and all that good stuff. Have a look back on my old videos, well, if you haven't looked at them. Thanks for all the new subscribers. I've got 431 now. I'm absolutely blown away by that. Didn't think I'd ever get to 400. So thank you all so much, and I will catch you soon. Goodbye for now.